Hello all first grade teachers, this is Barbara giving you another screencast on how to create your classes in Pearson SuccessNet. You can see I'm logged in as myself, so when you guys get logged in, you're going to go to your classes. But you're going to notice you don't have any. This is where you asked me to help. I've uploaded all the first grade students with their user IDs and passwords, so all you need to do is create a class or a group. You're going to name them whatever you want. You can do this for your 3 different levels, you can differentiate for your kids, or you can bring in your entire class. The only thing you absolutely need to create is the name and which product. Now, for some reason I'm assigned to grade 2, but you would see Reading Street grade 1. You're going to click Save. And then you will be able to see any assignments, reports, notices, or rosters. When I go to view this roster, there's no kids in it here yet. You do not have to upload it. I've already uploaded all of the students. What you need to do is select your students from the school roster. You're going to look for grade 1 students. And it takes a minute because there's 100 and some odd kids in there. But you're going to just go down and add the kids to your roster. Now you're going to notice some of these usernames are the kids' last name, first name. Some of them are their lunch code. If you have this student who is in here double, once with their username as their name, once as their lunch code, please choose the student ID that is their name. I tried to use their lunch codes thinking they were unique, but it's system-wide. Through all of Pearson, and there were a lot of duplicate numbers, so all of them have their username is their last name, first name, no spaces. I did take out any hyphens or apostrophes or spaces. If they had like a hyphenated last name, you'll notice I've truncated that. Okay, and I've taken out anything else. So you're going to select the kids in your class and then click Save. You go to the next page. If they're not all in there, you want to hit all the kids on this page that are on your roster first, and then you hit Save. Then you go to the next page. You select the kids on your list and hit Save. This will build a full roster for you. However, if you want to avoid any of that, you can just type in the kid's last name. Let's see if I got any of these. And it will bring in all of those kids. So you can just search for the kids in your last name by last name, select the student, and save it, and it will add it to your roster. If you've added a student to your roster that is not really in your class, when someone else tries to add that student to their roster, it will give them an error. So make sure when you're done adding all of your students to your roster that you go back and just double check. And you can actually take kids off your roster as well. Once you hit Save, then you are able to create learner settings and assign content to the students. I'm hoping you learned that in your tutorial, but if you need me to figure out that as well, just let me know. I hope this helps.